then opened he their understanding, that they might understand the scriptures. May God bless you. Amen. Ti chuan Pathian lekha thu hriat nan an thinlung ati fing ta a. Pathian lekha thu hriat nan kan thinlung ti fing tu chu Isu ani. Lalpan malsawm che rawh se. Amen.